If you finished The Housemaid recently by Frida McFadden and you immediately started searching for similar books that gave you the same feeling, same goosebumps, then you're definitely not alone. It's one of those thrillers that's incredibly easy to binge because of the short chapters, the constant twists, and that ending which completely changes everything. Ever since reading it, I have been looking for books that capture that same addictive feeling. So today, I am sharing 5 thrillers that I think every housemaid fan should read. These are fast paced according to me and they are impossible to put down. So let's get started. The first one in this list is The Last Mrs. Parrish. If your favorite part of The Housemaid is watching someone quietly work their way out into someone else's life while hiding their true intentions, then this book is the perfect choice. It's a story where we see Amber, a woman who is, attracted with this luxurious life of someone named Daphne Parrish, but her real plan is to steal her husband and get that luxurious life. At the very first, this plot looks like very paper thin, but there are a lot of secrets. The perspective keeps shifting. There are a lot of twists and turns, and suddenly you realize you have been making the wrong assumptions all along. So, yes, if you love psychological thrillers that make you think a lot, this one is for you. Next up in this list is Alice Sweeney's Rock, Paper, Scissors. Oh my god, this book. The story begins with a married couple going away for a weekend. They are trying to have a good time, but their relationship is failing. Very simple, right? But from the moment they arrive at the remote chapel, things go wrong. And something is off all the time. The setting is so isolated, the atmosphere is incredibly tense, and both the characters are clearly hiding a lot of things from each other. As the story unfolds, you are never quite sure of who you should believe and who you should not believe. And Alice Sweeney does a fantastic job, just like Frida McFadden, of keeping up the suspense. The chapters are also not that long, and the ending, it just makes you flip. I just love this book a lot and I wish I could read this book again for the first time. There are so many books like that. Uh, so, yeah, guessing the end is impossible with this book. I challenge you. And at number 3, I have The Perfect Marriage by Geneva Rose. How can I not mention this book whenever I am mentioning thrillers? So, a successful criminal defense attorney discovers that her own husband has been arrested for murdering his mistress. And now she is the one responsible for defending him in the court. Just imagine, this plot itself is insane. The story becomes the game of trying to figure out who's telling the truth and who is lying, and in the process, she as a wife is also finding out a lot of secrets. So every chapter introduces new doubts and you don't know whom to believe and which side to believe. So it combines courtroom drama with psychological and suspense thriller vibes very well, and it keeps the pages turning like this. You will love it if you love page turners. Coming in at top 2 is again Frida with The Teacher. So if you have really loved The Housemaid because of her writing style, this is the best book to read next. The story revolves around a teacher, a student, and a scandal that no one seems to be willing to explain completely. As always, Frida gives you just enough information to make you think that you figured out things, but you never are right. That right? Her chapters are incredibly short. I don't know how she writes such short chapters, and before you realize it, you have read half of the book in one sitting, and that too over 150 pages. So it's a great example of how she keeps her readers hooked by making every chapter end with a cliffhanger. We just can't stop. Finally, topping this list is again Frida McFadden's Ward D. If I had to recommend just one thriller by Frida, then it will be Ward D. So it's about a locked psychiatric ward I don't want to reveal much, but the tension and the suspense of this book is so beautiful. Nobody can leave, nobody knows who can be trusted, and every chapter raises more questions than it answers. What I really enjoyed about this book is how quickly it grabs your attention, and there's very little waiting around for the story to get interesting. It pulls you in almost immediately, and the twist, they keep coming until the very last page, just like in all Frida McFadden books. So you'll just finish this one in 1 or 2 days max. I can guarantee that. Ward D is an excellent choice if you love The Housemaid. So those are my 5 recommendations if you love The Housemaid. My personal ranking would be, so the last Mrs. Parrish on 5th, then Rock Paper Scissors, then The Perfect Marriage, then The Teacher, and topping the list will be Ward D. If you have already read any of these books, let me know in comments your reviews, which one was your favorite, which one you didn't like at all, and if there's another thriller that gave you the same addictive feeling and I have missed it, then I would love to hear your recommendations in comments, because I'm always looking for my next great thriller, though I have too many to be read list. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I post quite regularly about books, recommendations, thriller books to be very specific, reading guides and everything related to mystery and psychological thrillers. I have also written a thriller myself, The Chosen Few. Go check it out in the description. Happy reading. Thank you for watching. Bye.